Hello again, welcome to the CNC programming course. And in the CNC Lathe programming, actually we also need to be careful about the chuck rotation. So when you click the parameters, and then when you click and the double click actually the tool, and we're gonna see the setup tool options. When you click here, and you're gonna see that CW and CCW options. Okay, this is the M3 and M4. Okay, this is the normal version, actually M3. So if you turn to actually CW options, so we're gonna see it here and the different color insert. So you can also use that stuff to change your rotation. You can write -90 here. So if you write like this, so this is going to be my rotation. So when you turn to simulation, and we're going to see that's kind of approach. This is the insert. Actually, you can see that insert is looking to top of and look at the ceiling actually. Okay, so when I am use here, we can easily create that kind of toolpath. Okay, oops, sorry. So that's part quite important. So when you use that kind of the toolpath actually, or we can also turn here this one, and let me check this one. Okay, this is actually M3 options. When you use the M3, you can also see that's kind of solution. That's also possible. Okay, so we can also change that stuff here. I can double click on it. I can click here and setup tool, and then I can turn to the CCV and CCW to CW like this. But when you look at to here, that is not correct right now. Okay, this is not correct. So this is actually looking to the ceiling, our insert at that point, but actually we are looking on the left side. Okay, we need to look at the right side. So that's why I need to change my holder. Okay, you know that we can see the different holder here, for example, and let me check that one is looking on the left side, and this one is looking on the right side. Okay, so okay, and when I double click on it, actually I need to turn to holder. When I am look at the holder, we're gonna see that's kind of approach here. So this is the actually -3° holder, as you can see here, and we need to change that as well. So this is actually, maybe it must be like this. Yes, correct. So I changed that like this, and then we're gonna see that solution. Of course, after that perspective, don't forget to focus on your compensation direction, and most of the time you also need to change that stuff as well. When I am click here, yeah, let me check the backlog simulation. Okay, this is the looking to ceiling right now, our insert, and then we're gonna see that kind of solution. Okay, let me turn back here. When I am turned back here, this is the reverse cutting. actually we're gonna see that kind of toolpath. Okay, that's also possible to use. Actually, at that point we need to use CCW options. If we use CCW options, yes, it's okay. Okay, because our and the tool and looking to the actually and the bottom side, so that's perfect. Okay, let me check that stuff here again. Yes, that's correct. And let me check here. This also correct. And we can also see this one. This is actually rotation side reverse of that arrow. Okay, because we are looking at the bottom side like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, and you can use that stuff as well. You can see and CW rotation and CCW rotation here like this. You can also change your degree as well. When I am double click on it and the setup tool, and you can change your degree. Okay, and okay, thank you very much. I really appreciated your interest. This is actually for, and this is gonna help us about our and the tool setup. You can also see that example in our and the example 4. Okay, thank you very much.